Okay, so yeah, we'll get into all that stuff, but I think we should just start with kind of the primer of, of what is LiDAR, or LiDAR. Can you explain it to us?
Yeah, totally. So the easiest way to think of LiDAR is that it is a measuring tape that's made of light, right? So if you have a measuring tape, there's a little bit of, what's the tape made of, right? Forever, the meter was defined by a platinum bar that was housed in Paris, for example. Then they realized that the bar actually, it's nice to have a platinum bar, worth a lot too, but even subtle temperature changes will change the length of that bar. Laser light is a universal constant, right? So the speed of light is the speed of light, be it out of a light bulb or a laser. And, scientists and engineers have figured out ways to bounce that light off of a target, and the target could be the atmosphere, it could be the water, it could be the land under the water, it could be my nose, whatever. A building interior, a streetscape, post-hurricane damage, whatever it might be from the air. And then time, most of these things work this way, where imagine yourself throwing a tennis ball against a wall. Chuck the ball. Imagine the ball made no sound. Chuck the ball at a certain speed, catch the ball. If you know how hard you threw the ball, right, and you can time how long it took for that ball to come back to your hand, then you can calculate the distance with a pretty easy calculation, right? You don't have to do stereo vision or other more complex, computationally difficult processes to figure out how long it took. So a laser, you do it with a laser, the speed of light, there's a timing chip in the thing. So you send the pulse of light off and you wait for it to come back. The whole bit doesn't come back because things bounce everywhere, but it's looking for a particular color that it sent out, and it's timing how long it took to come back. So you do it onesie twosie, and you have a laser ranger, and that's kind of like radar guns that police used to use are now laser guns for the most part. And that's pretty much the philosophy behind that. But once you have that down, there's a billion places that the thing can be taken, technologically speaking. And the Apple, ability to scan a room is one manifestation of that. Instead of one, they've got a grid of laser, it's infrared light that bounces off whatever it is that you're taking a picture of, so to speak.
So it's instead of just kind of one laser, it's multiples being shot out?
And a lot of these things will work. It's often one laser that hits a splitter and it goes in a bunch of different directions. And, God knows that engineering is miraculous that they can make these things work. But there's a detector associated with each of the beams that split off of this single laser, say. And the detector knows which of those beamlets, which of the photons, the light packets, the light tennis balls, if you will, it's supposed to look for, and the one next to it's only supposed to look for the one from the one next. I mean, it's when you get into the actual engineering of these systems, it boggles the mind. And they're doing this. The higher end laser scanners, be it on a tripod now or from an aircraft, will do millions of pulses per second. Meaning, if you're flying at 15,000 feet or whatever it is that some of these systems do, they're kicking out multiple pulses that are in the air at the same time, bouncing back with multiple beamlets and multiple. I mean, it is crazy that these things work as well as they do, and they really do work. So,
hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. All right, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats, and all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very good.